Have you ever wanted to fly like a superhero? The Jetson ONE makes that dream possible. This is a single-person electric aircraft that anyone can fly. No pilot's license needed in most places. No complicated training. Just sit down, grab the joystick, and take off. It's real, it's available now, and it costs less than many luxury cars. Let's see what makes this flying machine so special. The Jetson ONE is an ultralight electric aircraft designed for one person. It weighs very little thanks to its aluminum and carbon fiber frame. The aircraft uses 8 electric rotors for lift. These motors are powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. You control everything with a simple joystick, and an onboard computer handles the complex flying tasks automatically. The Jetson ONE can reach speeds up to 63 miles per hour and fly for about 20 minutes on a single charge. The maximum pilot weight is 210 pounds. Safety is built in at every level. With 8 motors, if one fails, the others keep you flying. There's a protective cell around you in case of impact. Most importantly, there's an automatic emergency parachute that deploys if something goes wrong. Because it qualifies as an ultralight aircraft, you don't need a pilot's license in many countries. The base model costs $98,000, and the production model is $128,000. If the Jetson ONE succeeds, personal flight becomes accessible to regular people. Imagine owning your own aircraft the way you own a motorcycle or boat. You could fly over lakes, forests, and open countryside for pure recreation and adventure. Farmers could inspect their land from the air. Property owners could survey large areas quickly. Emergency responders could reach difficult locations fast. Right now, the 20-minute flight time limits its use to recreation rather than commuting. But battery technology improves every year. Future versions could fly for an hour or more, making them practical for short trips. The Jetson ONE is already sold out through 2026, with deliveries scheduled for 2027. This shows people are ready for personal flight. As more companies enter the market, prices will drop and capabilities will improve. The Jetson ONE proves that personal flight is no longer science fiction. Would you fly one if you could? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.